If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody be served like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hair, serving USA. You'll catch them serving at the Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and serving USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're serving USA. Serving USA. Everybody's serving USA. Everybody's serving USA. Yeah, everybody's serving USA. Yeah, everybody's serving.